Ready to turn your flip into a goldmine? Let's dive into the top 5 must-do renovations. First up, the kitchen. Go for a neutral design with white shaker cabinets, or similar style, brushed nickel hardware, white quartz or high-quality butcher block countertops, and a white subway tile backsplash. Top it off with stainless steel appliances from the same manufacturer. This combo screams modern and appealing. Next, the bathrooms. Match your kitchen style with a white shaker vanity and brushed nickel hardware. Don't forget double sinks in the primary bathroom and neutral tiles. Simple, clean, and attractive. Now let's talk flooring. Seamless flooring throughout the house creates a cohesive and spacious look. It enhances flow and brightness. Buyers love it. Fourth on the list, a feature wall. A vibrant blue like bare English channel can make your property pop. For high-end homes, consider a shiplap feature wall. It's all about standing out. Finally, curb appeal. First impressions matter. Keep the lawn tidy, plant colorful flowers, and use dark brown mulch. Simple, effective, and welcoming. And there you have it. Renovate smart, flip big. Subscribe for more tips.